Hey guys, Chovy here. Got a new microphone. We'll see how good it is. It was a little quiet using the laptop microphone, so I got a $30 Samsung. It's funny. I actually got fooled. I thought it was a Samsung, like the TV manufacturer, but I didn't pay that close of attention. And it's some knockoff brand, but we'll see how it works. It's this one here. I'll put the links in the comments. It was $50. I wanted something portable because I don't have a desk, and as you can see, I just kind of sit in my recliner and work and record these videos. And who knows, maybe someday if I ever make money with this, I'll get a more professional setup. But this seemed pretty cool. It had some good reviews. I looked at it online. We'll see how it goes. So that's that. It was $50. It shipped in 2 days on Amazon, so I was kind of happy about that. Just a quick update on Brisk Reader. If you guys are tracking the development, I got rid of that share module. I don't know if you saw it, but it was like some third-party module that had all this fucking tracking shit. I don't want to track you guys. I don't even know. All I know is how many hits my Nginx server is getting. And it's around 300,000 a month so far. So we'll see. I don't know how many of those are bots. I mean, my bot causes some traffic, so half of that's probably my scraper that populates Brisk Reader. But anyway, this share link you can share on Twitter, Ruckus, Reddit, Upvotocracy, Hacker News, Bitcoin Latte, and Facebook. Now, Upvotocracy and Bitcoin Latte are my sites. It's an open source Reddit clone that I had built with another guy in the UK. Paid him in cryptocurrency. I found him on Reddit, jobs for Bitcoins, and been working for me for a while, but we ran out of money. And we got a new design for it, so we're working on that in the next couple months. But Ruckus, I keep getting banned on Reddit, so I'm moving off there. It's just not worth the hassle anymore. Check out Ruckus, though. It's kind of more libertarian / conservative bent, which is kind of annoying because you get some of this QAnon crap, but I think there's more and more of us coming over from Reddit, so it's getting better, and it's still small. There's only like here's the transparency report. They have 57,000 user accounts. 1,700 were permanently banned. 3 people that reported to law enforcement, and they had 9 DMCA takedown requests. So it's pretty good so far. Not nearly as much interaction on Ruckus as there is with Reddit, but with Reddit, I've been on there for 12 years, and I've found that it's really gone downhill. A lot of censorship. Not that I'm really posting anything, but it's more like if you don't have the right flair, if you post a video and you didn't read the rules, you're not supposed to post videos. Like, all these fucking big subs that blew up over the last 5 years are heavily moderated. So it's like, it's not really fun anymore. Like I said, Twitter. This thing's a little buggy, and I'm not sure why. Sometimes you have to refresh it to get the image to show. But there you go. Reddit will just post to Reddit. It adds the title and the link for you. Upvotocracy, this is my site. You have to actually be logged in for it to work, so go ahead and create an account. You're in Karma. We don't have any profit, any advertisers yet, but anyway, we do profit sharing with your Karma, so if you get a lot of Karma, we'll pay out 20% of the revenue to the Karma users. Anyway, Hacker News and Facebook. So I don't use Facebook, but I'm getting some traffic from Facebook, so people are sharing it there, which is kind of cool. And if you don't know what a bookmarklet is, it's just a JavaScript function. So if you look at like the code here, it just says it creates the title from the document.title, and it creates the URL, and then opens a new window to the share page. Bookmarks are kind of handy because they're not limited to the sandbox, so you can do some pretty cool things. I wrote a LinkedIn follow bot using a bookmarklet. You can inject jQuery. If you want something short and sweet, they're pretty cool. If you want something more professional, obviously an extension or a Firefox add-on is the way to go. But for something simple like this, bookmarklets work. And this Brisk Reader bookmarklet, which is in the footer, works the same way. It just submits it here. It was already added, so I added this one 6 minutes ago. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys. Test out this microphone. Let me know how the sound is, if I need to adjust it at all. There's 2 settings, and the instructions don't tell you which setting is which. So I'll just have to check it out and see and compare. Alright guys, that's it for now. Adios.